day 19. This is Arbor Day. We're going to construct the arbor and put down some more decorative stone, and then that's us finished. So here goes. So the arbor came delivered in 4 packets with instructions and with screws. Although they were hard to find, we eventually did find them, laid them all out and started putting it all together. The instructions said there was piloted holes in this, and there clearly wasn't, so we had to guess where the screws were to go. We got there in the end. Once we got the back on and the trellis and the seat and the handy storage as well underneath the seat, which is great, we will then be able to get it all together. The roof was a bit delicate, but we got it up there and we got it made in record time. Once the arbor was complete, we just needed to put the finishing touches with the decorative stone. These stones are called Midnight Blue. Put a link in the description. They just finish it off, and then put also a granite slab as well to put your feet on. And we'll probably put some other finishing touches around it. And really, to finish this garden restoration project, we just need some plants and more topsoil, and then bingo, we can enjoy it for summer. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated. More videos to come in the future. Take care, have a great day.